Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to do gel nail extension step by step. Beautiful hands needs beautiful nails. So hold the cuticle pusher at 45-degree angle and push the cuticle upwards. It is used to push back and loosen the cuticle. It also maintains nails health. Gently drill the top layer of the nail using driller, or if you don't have one, use filer. It is much safer than traditional filer. Now buff your nail gently, moving buffer from side to side. Buffer improves blood circulation in your nail. It also gives you smooth surface. Use 2 to 3 drops of nail glue to the edge of the nail tip and stick it with the nail. Remember not to get bubbles in between, it won't last long. Now cut the length of nail tip according to client desire. After that, start shaping by filing the sides down and narrowing them out a bit. Depending on nail shape you are going for, you will go more or less narrow. Here we are doing straight shape. Again, buff your nail from side to side. Take cuticle cutter and carefully trim any excess or overgrown cuticles. Avoid cutting too close to the nail bed to prevent injuries. Primer helps to increase bond between gel polish and the nail. Don't put too much, so swipe it from right to left. Apply thin layer of base coat. It helps to prevent peeling and chipping. It protects your nail from colored polish nail stain. Now that the main part has come, hold it like 45-degree angle. Apply gel and start to work near the cuticle area. Slightly move from right to left and pull it down. If not enough, add some gel. Gel nail gives more natural look. After applying gel, place your hand under the UV lamp and cure it for 60 seconds. Remove the tacky surface by cleanser. Now drill to give shape to your nail. file until you get the result. Now that we have given a shape, let's buff and make it smooth. Clean all the dust with cleanser. Now you can apply any gel polish you want. I am going with all-time favorite off-white gel polish. Last step, apply top coat. It minimizes chipping and extends the life of gel polish.